So I want to welcome all of you out to this launch tonight. Super excited about what we have going on here as well. It's really incredible what we've been able to accomplish in such a short amount of time. I want to go over a couple things with you tonight to break down exactly what is going on, but just a couple things about the company so you know. We officially got started in 2018. We're based here in the United States. We're a financial services platform, and we're 100% debt-free. What we do is we educate people how to trade in the foreign exchange market. So many people have no idea how to be profitable in a market that all of us already have money in. And when we came to the conclusion that if someone's going to make money off of our money, it should be us, we found the value in having something that is so valuable to teach others how to begin to do what the banks have been doing with our money for so long. So if you're unaware of what Forex is the foreign exchange market, okay? Every country has a currency. And at this point, what is going on in this market is all of these currencies are being exchanged every day. The big banks, governments, massive, massive corporations. We're talking about $6 trillion a day is being traded in this market 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Okay, so it's really amazing that now, instead of just seeing about this money, hearing about this money, having money involved in this market without being able to profit on it while the bank is using our money, well, now you have the availability right at your fingertips. And this is what I love about what we have going on. We're going to teach you how to be profitable, consistently profitable in this market. We're going to teach you when to buy, when to sell, and when to not enter the market at all. Okay, guys, if you aren't aware, massive things are taking place all around the world right now. If you just seen the news, Iran recently, tonight, attacked a U.S. base in Iraq. So at this point, it's causing the market to go massive. If you pay attention to currencies, you'll see a massive push down in the U.S. and a massive push up in gold and other pairs that correlate to that. And what's really cool is you don't have to know all of this yourself, because the facts are it takes a little bit of time to really learn. But the cool things about this company is it's not just education. While you're learning, you have the ability to earn with our trade alerts and our live sessions and our market forecast in our trade community. Okay, so with the trading education, this is a 100% online trading education platform from A to Z, basic to advanced. You have the ability to truly learn what's going on in the Forex market step by step, beginning to really become successful in understanding what you're looking at and how to approach the markets to truly be successful long term, not just at different times, right? Now, one of the big things that make this company so powerful is how accurate the trade alerts are. Okay, what a trade alert is when one of our top traders see a move in the market that they find that is a very potentially profitable setup, they're going to send out a trade to you, right? It's going to have everything you need to know in order to type in your phone. Okay, this is what's really cool about this. It's going to give you your entry point, your take profit, and your stop loss. Everything that you need from when to get in the trade, when to get out of the trade if it goes good, and when to get out of the trade if it goes bad. Okay, so you're never in a situation where you blow your account. Guys, I need you right now. If you are making money with this company using these signals right now, give me a 777 in the chat box. Guys, our team chats every day are blowing up massively because of the success that's happening in the Forex markets using this. Okay, now our live sessions are also amazing. Every single night at 8 p.m. Eastern, Sunday through Thursday, you get the opportunity to get on one of our live sessions with one of our top traders and educators and see what they're looking at during that time at the market with them and ask them questions, and truly a hands-on learning situation for you rather than just watching a video that was created and that's pre-recorded. Now, while you have that, you also have the ability to have a hands-on approach with a live educator with you that you can ask questions and they'll answer and they'll help you out. Okay, it's really amazing, these sessions, and the profit that people have been having and just the growth that's taken place from these sessions. Now, our market forecast, this is when they're posted what they're looking at in the markets and potential trade setups as well. Absolutely incredible. And then our trade community. Guys, we have a massive community of traders that are just having phenomenal success. Some, I see Aaron Scott's here on the call, who has created an indicator that's called the PET system, and everyone has been having the ability to use that that's a part of the team. So the big thing about what we're doing and why it's so successful is people are actually winning. We have amazing traders in our community that you get to have access to and that you get to grow with, and that we're here to help you. The cool thing is, unlike in school where you're not recommended to follow successful people, you need to figure out yourself. Here we encourage you to be able to follow the smart people who can help you become successful while you learn, okay? We understand that it takes time to learn the skill set, and there's no reason why you're not making money while you're learning, okay? It's super simple, it's not difficult, and it's beyond affordable. Okay, so on top of the trading, you also have the ability to have a second stream of income on top of that. Trading is where you're multiplying your money. Okay, this is compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Okay, now this is where you have the ability to get a free membership, build a business, and also create a residual income. And the really cool part about this, and as you will see, is you'll understand that there's two types of income. You have active income and you have passive income. Most people just have one source of income, active. Now, when you begin to trade, you begin to have more passive income, but I want to show you one of the strongest avenues and how you can really begin to put yourself ahead of people. Don't only just have your money multiplying for you, which is massive that you do, be able to create a passive residual income that pays you every single week, okay? This is what's really cool about this. When you refer your first three, okay, you become what is known in our company as founder, okay? That's where your membership is free. So you're not paying for the membership every single month. That you're going to see the price here in just a second. That $99 that it costs to get started and monthly, that's going to be waived once you have three people. Now, what's really amazing about this is if you say, hey, I don't want to just have a free membership, I want to get paid. All you got to do is upgrade to become an IBO after you get three, and you're going to immediately get a $150 fast start bonus for getting your three people. You pay $99, you get three people, you either get a free membership every month going on as long as those people are active, or you can upgrade to be an IBO. And I'm going to show you how you have the ability to create a residual income on top of the $150 fast start bonus. What's crazy is we have so many people ranking up, it's ridiculous. In the last 20 plus days, over 40 plus people have ranked up. It's absolutely amazing. Have been paid the 150, and we have over 15 people that are making what you're about to see who are night and above. This is absolutely incredible. Guys, if you are ranked right now, if you could in the chat box, let me know what rank you are. It's absolutely amazing. Guys, night is where you have 10 people in your organization. What's really beautiful about the way that this reward plan and compensation plan is set up is, and let me make this clear, this is all additional. But what makes this so special is it's designed uniquely for builders and people that are good at growing to have the ability to help other people. Once you have your initial three people, you never need to personally refer somebody with your link again. So we have a team motto, which is very big. Help the next person come up, right? This is how it works. Once someone gets their three, and any time that they're bringing in a new person into the business to learn how to trade for $99, at this point, now they're going to give out one of the team members' links below in the organization to help them get ranked as well. Okay, so this is a super system that's encouraging people and builders to help other people. Guys, it's amazing how many people have been blessed. At the amount of 10 people in your organization, that's $500 a month, $125 every single week. Okay, at the rank of Noble, that's $1,000 a month, $220 or $250 every single week. And this is what's really amazing about this. The money is not delayed with pay. When you get initially your three, you upgrade to IBO, within 24 hours, you're getting paid. Whatever rank you are on Sunday, you get paid that Monday, the next day. There's no 1 week or 2 weeks in the hole before you get paid. You get paid immediately. So it's a way to know, and it's secure for you to get your money back, and you know that you're in a safe place. Now, at the rank of Bishop, this is 75 people in your organization. This is $2,000 a month, and it continues to go up to Duke. which is $5,000 a month, $1,250. Then it goes up to Prince, which is 500 people, which is $10,000 a month, $2,500 a week. What's insane is over 200 and right at 50 people have joined the first 22 days. You have the ability now to get in at the beginning of a massive launch. Now, we're not guaranteeing any profits in the Forex market, and we're not guaranteeing any profits that IBOs will earn income unless you come in and put in the work. We will help you. People are obviously succeeding, but we want you to come in and work. This is a place where if you're willing to grind, you can get out of corporate America fast if you desire to, okay? It is amazing what is taking place with the momentum right now and the success that people are having trading using this company, okay? So I just want to welcome you all to what we have going on. It's a massive time to be involved, and you get to be a part of such an amazing community that has so many incredible resources set up for you, okay? So it's $99 every 4 weeks. You get your trading education platform, receive the trade alerts, which are absolutely incredible. Guys, you want to be taking these signals. Copying and pasting has never been more fun. Okay, you get to participate in the live sessions, the financial market forecast, the trade community access, and so much more. Okay, and then once you've got your 3 people, you also have the ability to upgrade to an IBO, which is $15 every 4 weeks. Okay, now at the rank of founder, okay, let's say you upgrade to IBO at the rank of founder and you didn't get 10 people in your organization. Now, that's pretty unlikely, but let's say that happened. Your membership, both the membership and the IBO membership, is free at the rank of founder, okay? So it's really exciting what's taking place. So guys, in summary, you're gonna learn how to trade, you're gonna earn while you learn, you're gonna have the ability to create a massive residual income with an incredible business opportunity, and you get to be a part of an amazing movement that's educating the masses, that's empowering people all around the world to truly learn the skill set and just to be involved with the community of people that are making money. I don't know about you, but when you have people around that knows what's going on with money, it helps you get money too, right? If your friend that's successful next to you in class and you get to copy their answers and you get to have the same success, give me a yes in the chat box if that just makes sense. It shouldn't be punished, it should be encouraged, okay? And that's what we're doing here. We're encouraging the masses to follow successful people and have the ability to truly learn the skill set, because there's no smarter thing you could do in the world that we live in today, go into 2020 now that we're here, is learn this skill set, create a residual income, and just be around a good group of people that's here to help people win, okay? So listen, right now is a very important moment that you get started. Do not delay. We've had 200 plus people join in the first 20 days. You want to get started now, because once you have your first 3, everybody goes underneath someone. There is no expanding legs. There's only 3. Okay, get plugged in now, and that's going to help you start to get spillover and help you begin to be a part of this team share and what we have going on. Okay, much love to all you guys. It's time to have an amazing 2020, and I'm excited to be partnered with you and to help you achieve success here in the Forex markets and here with Tradera. Okay, I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining.